guys, it's Liv. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you the most perfect fall weeknight dinner recipe. This is so easy to make. It can be done all in one pot. So today I'm showing you how to make a chili cheese pasta. So it kind of has all of the fiber and protein that chili has, but then the comfort food aspect of eating pasta. So it's the perfect combination if you ask me, and that is everything I have to say for now. So let's get into it. I really hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I have been pretty much making this every week since I recorded this video. I hope you guys make it. If you do, make sure to take a photo and send it to me or tag me on Instagram. I am at itslivb. If you are looking for other delicious vegan recipes, make sure you grab a copy of my cookbook called Liv B's Vegan on a Budget, and it has 112 budget-friendly vegan recipes that are just easy and simple but still so delicious. So that is everything for me today. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!